Dia upper pani jabo so go.
Asal jadi, apa? Jadi apa balon ni?
Photo session saja. Guys having photos in potato farm. Hey, the most part of potato farm. Some of you can see that some views over there. It's very beautiful. See. Show you. Yes, like said, potato already thalina hai. Maybe in few months time it will bloom. In the our fishes nurdi. Bijun lagai sih. Jah February pani lagai lu na. Aru de kija hola hoy na. June, July, August. Nana private ase to government nana mahan bijun thalu bijun le to aigine lobole pare sab thangi batha bole sab ni free ba dibo na olop solop to kini bola pasha kini bola potato from the jagha hone se jado moi banai je oh ide sadi ba banai je
biscuit nai
first class banai dei
potato chips lo khao
ide mohan to babi je potato chips khao abisle kali person lagai je alu khana bai nai potato chips khao le to June July bane babo je duja to chao le khao special banai je
yes to potato farm
to potato farm. Here still in potato farm. Sun already set here. It's time to go. I hope you guys like the video. It's a very beautiful place. Yeah, you can definitely visit the place. It's like 2 kilometers away from the Mao Gate, main town. And well, thank you so much guys for watching. And I hope you guys like the video. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow up to my upcoming videos. And yeah, have a rocking day all of you. Thank you so much for watching.